I would like to introduce you to my apps. The first one is called Number Identifier, which you can find at whatnumberisthis.com. This app was created for people who have trouble working with large numbers. People generally have trouble with numbers larger than 9 figures or so. If you want to decode a number in the tens of millions, hundreds of millions, or larger, this app was created for you. Just enter the number in the input box, hit enter or click on submit, and the app will display the same number in words. You can enter any number, very large numbers, not so large numbers, any number at all. You can enter single digit numbers, 2-digit numbers, any number at all. It doesn't matter. I created this app myself using JavaScript. No online AI resources, no pre-built routines obtained from other websites. Even when you make a mistake in separating your digits with commas, as with the number on the screen, this app still correctly converts the number into words. Every line of code was written by me, from the first to the last. This app, Number Identifier, is my favorite out of the apps I have written. This is the raw code right here in JavaScript. Everything is written in JavaScript. Next app is a picture puzzle app, which you can find at solvethepicture.com. The app involves trying to guess the identity of a picture by opening squares which conceal the picture. The object of the game is to identify the picture by opening as few squares as possible. The fewer squares you use, the better you are at the game. There is also a box that keeps track of the number of squares you open in trying to identify the picture. It's a fun little game. You will enjoy it. My third app is Tic-Tac-Toe, located at letstick-tac-and-toe.com. It's the classic tic-tac-toe game, and you have two options. You can play solo or you can play against the computer. When you play solo, you click on both the X's and the O's, and you are responsible for forming straight lines with both of them. You will probably find it more fun to play against the computer. When you choose this option, you are playing against the computer. You control the O's and the computer controls the X's. The computer can win or you can win. As you click your O's, the computer will be trying to thwart you at every turn. When you form two O's in a straight line, you will see that the computer tries to prevent you from forming three O's in a straight line and winning the game. But at the same time, you have to be vigilant as to what the computer is doing, because the computer is also trying to form three X's in a row and win the game. If you are not also trying to forestall the computer's attempts at winning, it will beat you. Sometimes the computer wins, sometimes you win. You just have to be alert. It's a fun game. You will enjoy it. I'd also like to introduce my book, The Soccer Performance Evaluation System, which is a book I wrote for evaluating the performance of soccer players scientifically using statistics. This book is available for purchase at Amazon.com. I have included a link to its sales page below. I have also created a website located at spessoccer.com, where I have published the first 4 pages of the book. You can read these first 4 pages to get a general idea of what the book is about. Many people think that the performances of players on the soccer field are not suited to statistical representation. My book debunks this impression. It shows you how you can scientifically and statistically document the performance of soccer players by assigning points to the moves and plays they make on the field. If you read the excerpt provided at spessoccer.com, you will be introduced to many of the concepts covered in the book. After the introduction and essential concepts, it goes into more detail about the areas that the book covers. It shows you how the field is divided into transverse assessment areas as well as longitudinal assessment areas, which divide the field into areas with points associated with them from which the players' performances are graded. A sample evaluation of a play in an actual match is also included in the book. So if you are a soccer coach, soccer administrator, player or fan, and you've always wanted to represent the performance of soccer players statistically or through points earned, this book is for you. Give it a read. I think you'll love it. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye bye.